much, Cheryl. Now, this is National Teacher Appreciation Day, and teachers are being saluted for their hard work educating children, especially with the many hurdles created by the pandemic. In the northern suburbs, some art teachers are going above and beyond to keep their students creating and expressing themselves. Karen Jordan has the story.
The pandemic brought these art teachers at different elementary schools in East Main School District 63 closer together. They realized they each faced the same challenge: how to make a hands-on class like art virtual.
We thought, we've got to rally and we've got to help one another get through this somehow.
Starting last spring, Rick Carmick, Tina Daskalopoulos, Andrew Hancock, Monica Larson, and a fifth teacher, Julie Kim, met virtually once a week. Sessions that were helpful both professionally and personally, especially for Tina, whose husband and daughter at one point contracted COVID.
For my own social emotional healing, I could not have done it without knowing I had that once a week little connection.
The group searched for deals on art supplies the district could buy in bulk and had so much that Monica asked her colleagues to help with bagging them up for students.
The kids were just, they were like cheering on the screen, and when we told them that they didn't have to give them back either, it was like Christmas.
They won the lottery.
A total of 2,500 students in the district received the art supplies, and the teachers say they've noticed a greater output of creativity.
They're cherishing this like this is going to sustain them, and in many ways it has.
With this being Teacher Appreciation Week, this is one of the countless stories of how teachers have gone above and beyond the challenge of motivating their students during the pandemic. And these teachers hope to have more face-to-face time with their students next year.
Here's to, almost the end of the school year and getting through it, and hopefully next year we'll see a little more normalcy as long as we're safe.
Karen Jordan, ABC 7 Eyewitness.